Hey everyone, I'm Ernest, and today marks the beginning of something I've wanted to create for a long time. 100 days, 100 lessons, 100 chances to understand what truly makes a brand unforgettable. But before we go anywhere, we need to start with a question that seems simple, yet almost nobody can answer correctly. What is branding? Most people will point to what they can see: a logo, color palette, a font choice, a design they find pretty. But visuals are just the surface. A real brand lives underneath. Let me show you what I mean. If I say luxury, prestige, the ultimate reward for success, what car comes to mind? Almost everywhere in the world, the answer is the same: Rolls-Royce. If I say magic, childhood dreams, the happiest place on planet Earth, what destination instantly appears in your head? You already know: Disneyland. And if I say just do it, relentless, excellence, or athletics, there's only one brand that holds those words: Nike. Now here's the interesting part. Many people who say Rolls-Royce have never sat on one. Most people who say Disneyland have never been or were kids the last time they won. Millions who whisper just do it have never bought a single pair of Nike. And yet they answer instantly, because branding isn't what a thing is, it's what a thing means. A brand is nothing but the collection of memories, impression, perception, and association people carry, even if they never touch the product or experience it firsthand. A brand doesn't live in the business, it lives in the mind. So when we talk about building a brand, we are not talking about making things look cool. We're talking about building memories, feelings, and thoughts in the hearts of people you want to reach. If I had to define it, I would say this: branding is the repeated connection between you and an idea until the world can't separate the two anymore. It's choosing the story people would remember and then reinforcing it, that when they finally want what you offer, their mind calls to you first. So the real question isn't, do I have a logo? The real question is, what do people remember when they remember me? This is the one, and for the next 99 days, I'm going to unpack the psychology, the strategy, and the storytelling that turns ordinary business into brands people never forget. If you are ready, stay close. Tomorrow we go deeper.